It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Why is your dog constipated? Most common causes. Let's start. Constipation is a common problem in dogs and can occur for a number of different reasons and is usually easily fixed. But some dogs may experience chronic constipation where the stool becomes drier and more complex. Constipation can be uncomfortable for your dog and downright scary for you. In this video, you'll learn how to help your constipated dog and know when it's time to call the vet. 1. Some of the most common causes of constipation in dogs are as follows: fluid, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalances. Diet abnormalities, lack of dietary fiber, sudden change in diet, and specific sources of calcium in the diet. Older dogs seem more prone to constipation than younger ones. Tumors in the digestive tract can block the passage. Lack of exercise or an inactive lifestyle tends to slow down fecal transit. Problems that affect the anal gland. Enlargement of the prostate of a male dog. Medications, such as diuretics, antihistamines, specific anti-cancer drugs, and antacids. Hypothyroidism and specific types of metabolic disorders. Stress. Central nervous system disorders. Joint and bone problems, such as arthritis. Surgery or post-surgical cases. 2. Symptoms of constipation in dogs. Most dogs defecate at least once a day. The frequency of bowel movements can be affected by the number of meals you have per day and how many meals you eat. A dog is said to be constipated if he shows the following signs. Shows several unsuccessful attempts to pass stool. Repeatedly runs or squats. Restless and tends to make excessive turning movements. Cry when trying to defecate. Vomiting. Decreased appetite. It can remove small amounts of waste that may have some water or mucus in it. Weight loss. He assumes a different pose indicating the abdominal pain and discomfort he is experiencing. He may cry or growl if you press on his lower back or stomach. 3. Home remedies for constipation in dogs. I will give you some home remedies that you can try to help relieve your dog's constipation. It's important to note that if your dog has been constipated for 2 days or more, it's time to seek veterinary care. Exercise and support. A deficiency of exercise can be a significant contributing cause of constipation in dogs because exercise is necessary for bowel movement and digestion. Take your dog out for long, regular walks to poop. It may take a few tries, but the more your physical activity improves, the more your bowel activity will increase. Add canned pumpkin to your diet. Canned pumpkin is an excellent source of fiber and can be safely added to your dog's food to help with constipation. Add 1 to 4 tablespoons of pumpkin per meal to relieve mild constipation. The amount of pumpkin you add should be based on the size of your dog, 1 tablespoon for small breeds, up to 4 tablespoons for large and giant breeds. It is essential to use canned pumpkin or pumpkin that you have cooked yourself, not pumpkin pie mix. Increase water intake. Dehydration is also a major cause of constipation. You can tell when your dog is dehydrated by touching his gums or the inside of his lips. If this feels dry, you should encourage your dog to drink water. Another way to tell is to collect the extra skin on the top of his neck. If his skin doesn't quickly snap back into place, your dog may be dehydrated. Manually remove hair. Dogs that shed heavily and have long hair may have matted hair that blocks the rectum and does not allow the removal of feces. If this is the case for your dog, you can clean it to relieve any feces that may be trapped in the hair around its rectum. Also, you can use electric clippers to remove matted hair. Groomers or veterinarians can help with constipation if you don't feel comfortable doing it at home. Constipation in puppies is not common. Puppies are much more sensitive to dehydration and starvation than adult dogs, so their condition can quickly languish. If a puppy has any of the following signs, contact your vet right away. He is not eating. He has not had a bowel movement in 24 hours. He gags or vomits. He appears to be in pain. He is lethargic. Has a swollen belly. For most dogs, constipation will be a rare problem, which is kept under control through a well-balanced diet, regular exercise, and access to fresh water. Develop your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate misbehavior and create the well-behaved, obedient pet of your dreams. Hit the instant access button below now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, and share the video. Thanks.